Welcome, TikTok refugees. I'm Dr. Shimeng Gao. I'm a pelvic floor physical therapist practicing here in Shanghai. And this is my office. Let's have an office tour. So this is our exercise space. It's very spacious. We do have group classes here. We have a lot of mirrors and then not a lot of machines, but I love this one. This is a core align machine. It's actually developed by a physical therapist, kind of like a reformer if you do Pilates, but has different kind of resistance. We do a lot of lower body exercises so that you can activate the muscles that you're actually weaker at. So this one, it's a balance board. So if you like snowboarding, this is a great way to kind of mimic snowboarding sensation. You can be on one foot. I also use it when I have a standing desk. I put it down so that I don't feel bored when I'm typing notes. This is my rack with a lot of props, foam rollers, yoga mats, Bosu balls, different kettlebells and stuff. But this is my favorite. It's a Nova suit. I'm gonna put it on. Yee! So this is my Halloween costume every year at the clinic, just to create more awareness. Yes, it's our labia minora majora. I'm gonna put it back. I also love this one. It's a belly pillow. As you can see, it's empty here. So patients who are pregnant, they can actually lie down, face down, so I can work on their back. Because a lot of times it's so hard for them to find a position to allow their lower back to fully relax. So I love that one as well. And then welcome to my treatment space. We have a very nice high-low table. This is more to protect my own lower back so I don't bend my back all the time when I treat patients. It's winter here in Shanghai, so I do have an electric kind of heat pad so that patients feel very warm when they're getting treatments here. This long desk have a lot of my kind of cute little decorations. This is a pelvis. My friend Yudi helped me to put some Christmas elements on it. I still haven't put it down yet because it's so cute. You got different models, male models, different kind of pelvises. We got very diverse boobies here to teach people how to latch with breastfeeding, pelvis model. I love this one. It's on Taobao. If you're not on Taobao yet, please be on it.
Taobao refugees.
Yeah. So I teach husbands to do perineal massages to their wives, and then this is a good way just to show where they should be pressing on and stuff. And this is a beautiful pelvis. So this is my office. Welcome to my office. I'm here in Shanghai. If you need anything with urinary incontinence, pelvic pain, lower back pain, postnatal health, I'm here to help you.